Varun would come up to each of us and say, "पता है कितना डाला है इस गाने में? पता है कितनी की set है? Now kill it."
Just answer the question honestly.
What do you mean? Varun,
ना कैफ तो किसी को प्रपोज थोड़ी करेगी. विकी कौशल ने खुद प्रपोज किया वो उनको.
my father only keeps trolling me. Anyway,
मैं शिखर से मारने खाऊंगा भाई.
Just answer the question honestly.
what do you mean? Varun, I hit you.
Just take the name of all the 9 people.
See, Boni ji said in an interview that she pays for her own vanity van also.
Not on this
And
film.
then he trolled you about Wimbledon also.
My father only keeps trolling me. Anyway, no, not on this film. On this film, of course, like he said, Dharma's like family and they take care of all of us so much. Not just us, but even our entire team. I have to say one thing though. He is so overcognizant of all of these expenses. आपने पनवाड़ी गाना देखा ही होगा ना? And I think that was our biggest song, our biggest set. So before every shot, Varun would come up to each of us and say, "पता है कितना डाला है इस गाने में? पता है कितनी की set है? Now kill it." तो ये pressure में हम नाच रहे थे पूरे दिन. तो हाँ, that's how responsible he is, and he's inculcated that in us also now through this song.
Has your dad also?
For
asked you to
sure.
be careful?
I think because
Dad wanted the song to be more expensive.
no, but of course I've seen him make movies and I've seen everything that a producer deals with. So I've always, in my head, tried to be as helpful and as less of a burden as possible on my producers.
And Apurva, you were going to say something.
No,
on
I
this.
was just saying that I think they, all of them are very, very cognizant, and like I couldn't have put it better than Shashank. I said we've had the most amazing time working with all of them. Like I said, Varun used to genuinely keep calling me. I said, "To kaam karna, don't worry about the set now. This is an important song." He was genuinely concerned so many times, and it's great to see actors who are just not looking at their performance, but they're also concerned holistically about the film and where it lands. And I think all of these people are, the younger generation is just so much more cognizant of all these things. They understand it, and they're all friends. They're friends, they're actors, they all have done enough work now to understand how things are evolving, and they are as concerned as us. So genuinely, it's not been a concern.
All right, we're taking one last
yeah,
question.
no,
Okay?
let ma'am.
Ji.
एक second.
Film personalities are approaching the court for personality rights. Like Karan has approached Mr. Bachchan, Abhishek, Aishwarya. Your take on it? How important it is today for securing or protecting your personality rights? Right, Varun to Apurva. If you can answer that question.
Because of AI coming in, how important
very
is to
important.
secure the rights?
Your take, Varun and Janvi, and of course Apurva.
See, technology, I think, does come with responsibility. It can be really helpful, but it can be really misused as well. Right now, we are all having fun with it, but it can. So I feel there will need to be some law and regulations surrounding it, especially so that at least actors and artists don't start getting misused. Their rights don't start getting misused, because we can reach a period where you don't need actors at all. Then you can just create. So I think actors have to come with an X factor to deliver. And if you have that X factor, then you have to safeguard it. So I believe you should safeguard it.
I mean, I think yeah, sure. I'll just answer this one. Sorry. I mean, I think not just for actors, I think for every technician I've seen over the course of the last couple of months even, before when you'd get a narration or you'd come in for a meeting, it would take a lot of time before you see storyboards or you do physical look tests so you know what the zone of the film is, the character. But right now, in a second, they can show you an image of you being the character. They can show you exactly what the film is going to look like. They can do renders of... No, but more than misuse, my concern is that there's so many jobs that would have taken, I guess, X amount of more time to deliver these variables, these sketches, and maybe would have added something more personal. But right now, more people are, I guess, relying on the technological aspect of it, which I guess might be more financially, monetarily conducive. But I guess you can say I'm old-fashioned, and I really want to preserve what a creative human being has to offer.
Mr. Bachchan is also.
I don't know. See, I don't know what the technicalities or the legalities of how to go about that is, but I know when I see even right now on social media how there are so many AI images against my will being circulated by mainstream media portals as legitimate images. And I think maybe me and you can tell that it's AI, but the common man will think, हाँ ये तो ये पहन के पहुंच गई,
so many,
ये तो इसके which is, so I don't know what the protocol is.
There's
to
no
fix
AI
this,
in this
but-
film, na Shashank? In this film, there's no AI.
नहीं बस इसमें भी AI का तो बजट अलग ही हो जाएगा.
Hello.
Komal ji, कुछ
So
तो आप
that's
पूछिए.
all we have for
आप
you, ladies and
पूछिए.
gentlemen.
No, wait. One question.
I
I
think
want Komal ji to ask one
जी
question.
आइए.
Komal ji knows us all from many years, even before we started our journeys.
I just want to ask this. You said, that Karan Johar's banner is like home production. When will the time come when you consider all artists, not just you, every artist considers every production as a home production and rationalizes the entourage? I don't think entourage is such a big issue as is being made out. No film has flopped because star entourages were so huge. No film ever flops because of that. But I'm just saying that rationalization will come if every actor starts considering every production as his own. So what are your thoughts on that?
No, but can I say that I think that he is like that with every. Maybe he said it sentimentally.
General, yeah.
Yeah, but you do think every production house is.
And what about you,
I
Janvi?
do, but I would like to come. But I would want to say that all producers also have to behave as family members. Then, that also doesn't happen, and I'm sure Komal, you know that. We can keep blaming actors. That is this the because obviously कंधे तो actor के कंधे पे आता है ना. Eventually जो bill तो lead के नाम पे ही फटता है, and this has been, and then stories come out, blind articles come out, trolling happens, all the muck is thrown on them. Everything else is good when we are building up, having fun, but then the muck is thrown on that person only. But I have to say, you need good producers also. That is also 100% actors also should behave themselves much better, I'm saying. But producers also have to go into it with a little less, with a more friendly and a more family-like environment. I think if you create that, actors will say yes. And I'm saying if an actor doesn't want to do it still, mat lo usko.
No, and
Don't work with them, I feel.
I'm going to add that Janvi has been extraordinary also. We just went to Homebound just now. We went to Toronto International Festival for Homebound. We were there for 2 days and we said, listen, we can't take anybody with us. It's just going to be the actors and us. And we were literally 5 or 6 of us and the hair and makeup would all be arranged there. And everyone said, yeah, we understand totally. So I think everybody gets it, and like she was extraordinary. So we've had a great time. I mean, I really can't complain on that.
I think if
front.
there's dialogue, everyone gets it. But if someone comes from an arrogant approach,
And I think Komalji,
where the
we
problem
all
is.
collectively, and I really believe this from a perspective where I started this journey as not part of the industry, coming from Nasik, trying to make. I've been blessed to work with good people. We all have to collectively take the onus. I think by pointing fingers at each other, we are dividing ourselves further. किसी एक प्रोड्यूसर की गलती नहीं है, किसी एक राइटर की गलती नहीं है, किसी एक डायरेक्टर की गलती नहीं है.
System ऐसे होगा.
I think if we all collectively come together and say, hey, I got your back, you got my back, I think we need to preserve the integrity of our industry. I think by talking too much negative about our industry, we are opening ourselves to more criticism and making ourselves soft targets. We need to protect whatever the problems we also have. We need to be behind closed doors and solve it. It's like a marriage, right? When you're a marriage, you don't want to wash your dirty linen in public. Similarly here, I feel if we can all sit together, I'm sure we can solve things. We don't need to point fingers at each other because then everyone starts pointing fingers at us. I think as an industry, we just say, hey, it's our problem, we'll deal with it. Whether it's money, whether it is content, whether it is actors, directors, we will sit, we will handle it. And I think if we build that integrity within us and all of y'all are the media who actually talks about us the most. So if the media collectively we build integrity, because we are faces, we are standing here. There are so many jobs dependent on one film. There are so many technicians, spot dadas, lightmen. I think we need to build our integrity for them as well. That we need to say that, hey, we are not soft targets. We are people who are putting our life and soul into a film. And all these jobs are impacted if one film does not get made. So I think if we can have integrity collectively, I think we should showcase that as a
Very
industry.
well said.
Hello
Wow,
everyone.
very well
Here-
said.
अरुण सर आखिरी सवाल आ जाइए आप
अरुण,
quickly.
अरुण।
चलिए वरुण wants हाँ
One question.
अरुण को एक
here.
क्वेश्चन पूछ लेने दीजिए.
वो पूछने के लिए
बोल,
पूछिए
बोल,
अरुण
अरुण।
पूछिए
ओके बोल देना.
I'll ask.
नहीं नहीं, one
About
second.
Sunny
you're right.
Sanskari.
He's been wanting to ask since a while. कैट स्टाइल में, बिल्ली की तरह.
अरे बिल्ली की तरह नहीं, कटरीना कैफ की तरह.
कटरीना कैफ तो किसी को प्रपोज थोड़ी करेगी. विकी कौशल ने खुद प्रपोज किया हुआ उनको. आप तीनों में से तो ऑब्वियसली रोहित ही करेगा.
क्यों भाई? रोहित करेगा क्योंकि
क्योंकि इनकी
रोहित
शादियां हो
करेगा
चुकी हैं.
मैं
कटरीना कैफ जैसी त्वचा सिर्फ रोहित के पास है.
कम ऑन रोहित. मैं शिखर से मार नहीं खाऊंगा भाई. सॉरी.
Hello. one question here. To your right.
we are taking,
Hello. Hi.
उनका फोन आया 3 बार हेलो बोल चुकी हूँ.
Hello.
हाँ जी.
Hi. This is Komal Vishwakarma from IWM Buzz.
I
मेरा
love you,
सवाल-
Arbaz.
IWM Buzz.
Oh, IWM Buzz. Oh,
यहाँ
sorry.
पर हूँ मैं
हाँ,
वरुण.
sorry.
Hi. ओके तो यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं संस्कारों के बारे में. ऐसे बहुत सारे संस्कार होते हैं जो हमें बहुत सालों से हम फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं. आपके अकॉर्डिंग ऐसे कौन से संस्कार है जो यूजलेस है, जो नहीं फॉलो होने चाहिए, और ऐसे संस्कार जो एक्चुअली में प्रैक्टिकल है?
अभी तो रिलीज होने वाली है तो मैं हर संस्कार फॉलो करूँगा. बट आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स अ संस्कार और व्हाटएवर, बट बचपन में जब मैं स्कूल जाता था तो सुबह सुबह ऑब्वियसली जब नहाना पड़ता है तो ठंड लगती थी, तो मैं मदर वुड मेक मी चांट ओम भूर्भुवः. सो दैट आई स्टिल फॉलो एवरी टाइम इफ आई एम गेटिंग स्कैर्ड अबाउट समथिंग, इफ देयर इज समथिंग बिग कमिंग अप. सो वो मैं हमेशा फॉलो करता हूँ अभी. इट डज, आई आल्सो फील इट हेल्प्स.
Come on, Janvi.
बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज चाहिए मुझे. सबसे पहले तो संस्कारी होना चाहिए, दूसरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर होना चाहिए, और एपेटाइट बहुत बड़ा होना चाहिए.
Lower middle class.
हाँ, वो कुछ भी चलेगा.
All right, that's all we have for you. एक बार इस टीम के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Thank you so much.
Thank
And we'll
you
do a
everyone
quick
for
picture
coming.
with the
Thank
team.
you,
Thank you
thank
so
you
much.
everyone who's come, all the
Thank
fans
you
also
everyone.
who've come, all
Thank
the
you so
press,
much for coming here.
all the press who's come. I hope you all also had fun doing this. I hope आपको भी मजा आया.
Thank you
चलो, good.
everyone.
Thank you.
Intensity level भी out of the roof था यहाँ पे इस कमाल की फिल्म के लिए. Thank you so much. Second is when we